Howdy folks, we're live at 9:53, running I'm going to copy this on my way up, running a 4-winner mini for Brian's TIE Fighter Pilot. There he is. Again, top 4 win spots in the main, it looks like on this one. Paste him in there. 1 through 10, gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck guys and gals, here it is. Our mini. Darren in the top for round 1, Jeff 2, Louise 3, and 4. Nick takes round 5, and 6. Louise again on top in round 7, and our winners are Rob, Jay, Jeff, and Josh. Congratulations, fellas. Lady, fellas. Here's the verification. ZLDGMH. There's our winners again. I am done at 9:54. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you guys. Thanks.